Hey guys, this is your girl again, Shy, with another video. Brought to you by my new closet. Yes, I just got this closet installed almost about 3 weeks ago, and I'm absolutely loving it. Went to Home Depot, got it all designed and everything, blah, blah, so on and so forth. So I just said, let me see if I can record in my closet, and lo and behold, here it goes. Hey, got my shoes back there, my long hangs. But anyway, the purpose of my video is to come with you with another service that I have discovered called Fashom. Now, I would say about a month ago, I got an email for one of their marketing folks and saying, hey, Shy, we saw your videos for Stitch Fix and for Trunk Club, and we wanted to see if you can give us a try, see if you like us. And also, we'll give you some incentives or discounts if you do a video for us. So I'm just like, okay, that's kind of cool. So I started doing research on the company and found it very interesting. And I saw that it has some similarities to both Stitch Fix and Trunk Club. I kind of see some characteristics of Stitch Fix in it and saw some characteristics of Trunk Club in it, and it also have its own little special spin to it. So I'm going to read to you a little bit about this company. It's called Fashom. And what Fashom is Fashom is a mobile social platform that celebrates the everyday self-expression and unedited, unique styles of real people around the world. The community we're building is about sharing and exploring global fashions by real people. No filters, no Photoshop, no retouching. Fashom users can upload their own photos and videos, like and comment on post tags the brands they're wearing, follow other users, explore new fashion ideas, share their content to other platforms, and shop through the app. You can also search a digital global map to see what users are posting and find cross-cultural inspiration. So when I looked them up and saw, some of the main hitters, the main players, I thought it was kind of an interesting concept. Now, they don't have a website per se. You have to go on the mobile app. I'm on my Fire right now. I'm recording on my phone, unless I could have showed it to you. But it's a mobile app. You go and sign up you download the app from your Play Store, or if you're an Apple user, from your Apple Store, download the app, and then you set it up like you would do your Trunk Club and your Stitch Fix. Set it up, put all your information in, and then same way, you put your sizes in, the colors that you like, the colors that you don't like, your styles, your preferences, your taste, and you get sign a stylist. And this one, you actually get to choose your stylist. They'll show you, with me, they gave me 2 to choose from. I chose, I cannot remember her name, and I hate that I didn't get her name before I did this, before I did this video, but I digress. So I chose, a stylist, and then they give you 72 hours to, to style you. You follow it all on your phone. And then after the 72 hours, your stylist will come back and say, hey, based on the information that you gave me, you also can have a way to, leave them comments or things that you're looking for. And they said, based on this is what I have selected for you after the 72 hours have elapsed. I think for me, it was a little bit over 72 hours, not by much, but, nothing to frown upon. So afterwards, I got it on my phone, and they do email you, so you'll know right away when you have a notification. So if you have your notification set up, it'll pop up on your phone or show up to you in email. So when I got the email, it shows me, like Trunk Club, unlike Stitch Fix, it showed you the styles that she chooses from. So I know Trunk Clubs gives you a whole plethora of outfits. Stitch Fix only give you 5 outfits to choose from. This does a head to toe looks for you. So you get 2 sets of outfits that comes with jewelry, if it's a dress or pants and shirt, and also with shoes. And then you can choose, then you'll see what, what styles that you like, and then you can choose which ones you want sent to you. So if there's certain things, I think Truck Club does this, so if there's some things you saw that she picked out and you don't like, you can say, hey, don't send this to me, blah blah blah, send, just only send me that. And then afterwards, I said between a week or a week and a half. I know the turnaround is kind of slow, in my opinion, but a week and a half, you'll get your stuff in the mail. So yesterday, I finally did get it. Just like it kind of comes in a box. It's like Stitch Fix. Comes in a box like this. Fashom. Fashom. I will put information in my comment section below, and so you can go and check them out for yourselves. Again, guys, this is they don't have a website up as of yet. Everything is on the mobile platform. I'm still trying to get the hang of it because it kind of look awkward to use, but it reminds me more of an Instagram kind of thing. You can post your pictures on there. You can follow, you can like other folks and see what they're wearing and see, get some other inspiration ideas. I personally, I kind of do like it, and I will continue to kind of trying to get the hang of it and maybe post some stuff myself. But anyway, let's go into the fashion. So I got a couple of outfits that was styled. I'll show you, kind of like the styling card that you would get from Stitch Fix. So they styled me with these things. Now I wish for the sake of the video I just went ahead and got everything, but there was just some things I was just like, no, I know I'm not going to try, but there's some things that I was like, oh yes, definitely, send me that. So for the sake of the video, I probably should have got everything, but I didn't. But I'm going to show you what I got styled with. So you can see the little jean outfit with some shoes and some jewelry here. And then you can't really quite see it, but this is a white wrap dress with some, also some jewelry, and some shoes as well. So the selected items were antique silver necklace, moon drop design drop earrings, faux pearl pointed toe flats, a high-low striped blouse, a raw hem ripped jeans, and a surplus wrap dress. Then also you get a note from your stylist as well. Here, I'll just read it to you. It says, hi Shy, thanks for giving us a chance to style you. It was amazing to spend time picking out these items for you. I can't wait to see them on you. Please note that some of our clothing come brandless, i.e. with no tags, and there's a reason for it. We get these pieces directly from manufacturers or small businesses, hence keeping the cost low. These are quality tested and brand new items. And then it gives you the next steps. You go onto the website, you can check it out. You have 3 days to return it. They give you the bag to return it just like the others. Here's the bag right here. If you keep 3 items, you get a 25% discount. So, with, I think with Stitch Fix, if you keep everything, you get the 25%, but you only have to keep 3 for this one. So I like that. You can leave us a feedback for the items and for our styling. Your return label is in the box in the mailing, and share your post on Fashom and Instagram, tag at myfashom. Say, remember, you can mail these back in 3 days. If it's going to take you more than 3 days, you can email them at info@fashom.com, and they will extend it out for you. So without further ado, let me show you what I did pick out for myself. And I did try these on when they got here. And so the first thing I got is this white wrap dress. Let's see. Let me step back for a little bit so you can see this. And guys, I tried this on for reasons a little bit beyond my control and Mother Nature. I won't be doing a try on right now, but I tried this on last night, and guys, I absolutely loved this dress. It is so forgiving. It's good for the size I am now, and it definitely will help for me for the size that I'm going to become. Oh my goodness, I love the material. I loved the whole style of it. perfect for the spring, because one thing I did ask the stylist for was some white distressed jeans. I just been into, you know, white for a while, and she said she couldn't find it, so she sent me these shoes. Sorry, getting you a little closer, and I absolutely love this dress. And this dress was only $40. $40. Yes, and their cost is pretty low. It's like, I'll say probably this is probably one of the highest items that they have. They said it's like 40 and below for some of their stuff. So I take that back. No, because some items in here was like $50, but it's still a really good price for these clothes. So I thought this was cool. So that's going to be a keep. The next thing I asked was these shoes. The last shoes I saw in there, so I know I'm not going to wear them, so that's one reason why I asked them not to send it. But I got these shoes here with the faux pearls, and I thought they would be kind of cute. Like I like kind of like the detail is different, kind of funky. I would keep these, but they're too small because I got big feet. I got my daddy's feet. Oh my gosh. Why can't they make them white with shoes? I know I was looking on the website and I was saying, okay, you know, do they have where it says, you know, wide width? But I was so disappointed. I put these shoes on and man, my dogs were barking. Barking. Couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. So disappointing, but hey. So, you know, this will go back into the bag and back to Fashom. See, the next item is the jewelry. I should have got both of them to show you both, but one of the jewelry I already had, you know, or something similar. But I will be keeping these. These are like the moon drop earrings. I think these are about $8 right here. And then also the necklace right here. Yeah, it's just a simple necklace, but I like it. Sometimes I just want to go simple, you know, simplicity. But I really do like this necklace. So I say I'm definitely going to keep those. I think this is like $10. So, hey, I go in. I could probably go to Charming Charlie's. I don't know if you have a Charming Charlie's in your area. Why am I blurring? Oops. So sorry, y'all. Okay, back in focus now. Okay. Now, the next items. Oh, I was so excited to get them. And I'm just going to tell you, they didn't fit. They didn't fit. And I was wondering, did I put it in the right size? But I was so excited. This top right here, they showed me how they had it on the app. Oh my God, it was so cute. So I had this shirt here. I thought it was so cute. I love the colors in it. But when I put that thing on, that thing was so tight on me. I was just like, oh no, no, no. I was so disappointed. I might have to go back and see, but you know, this is definitely going to have to go back because this was just way too tight. And the last item was another pair of jeans from Zamia. I think that shirt was like $30 and this is like, the jeans were about $50. I like them, but I already got a pair of jeans like this. You got the distressing, but I've already have a pair of blue. I just don't need any more jeans. I don't know if you can see my closet here. Got jeans and more jeans and jeans and army pants. I don't need no more jeans. So these gonna have to be a no too. Dang it. So that's it. My thoughts on it. The good is I do like the fact I forgot to mention there's no styling fee, so that's also a plus. Instead of, if you want to get the 25% discount, you don't have to buy the 5 items like you would in Stitch Fix. You can choose 3, which is good. So I got my 3, the dress and the jewelry. I like the head to toe outfit. So they style you from head to toe for the jewelry, the clothing and the shoes. I really like that concept. And then also And let's see, and the fact that you can choose your own stylist, and then you can pretty much interact with them through the website. Well, not the website, the mobile app. I really like that concept as well. The things I don't too much care for about, and I think this is gonna probably improve over time, is the awkwardness of using the app. So I mean, if you're not really app friendly or app savvy, or you probably want to go to your computer, your laptop, or your tablet, and or your other computing device instead of your phone, and interact that way. I personally will prefer using my computer, rather than going on the phone. But I can understand the concept. They want to do it in a mobile, in a mobile app, and then you can interact with other people and, follow and like them. So that's also good. Their turnaround time, you have to be patient with them, because like I said in the beginning, they said it takes 72 hours to get styled. I think it took a little bit more than that. And then it also took a while for the box to actually get here. And then after all that time, then you're only giving me 3 days to send the stuff back. I would say, can we do at least a week and then send it back? So those are my personal opinions, my pros and cons of this styling service. But otherwise, I do actually kind of like them. I probably will try them again in the future, because like I said, I like the idea of a head-to-toe look. Do your shirts, your pants or skirts, and with the jewelry, the shoes, a full-on look. That's one thing I like. And then also, and also trying to get you connected with other users on the app, and other folks who also uses this service, and then trying to generate ideas, just like a big social network for personal styling. So that's probably the biggest concept that I see. So, but you can, even though they don't have a website up, you can go into you can go to www.fashom.com. I will link them into my description, and you can find out about the key players there. You can, if you have personal questions yourself, you can go to info@fashom.com, and also you can see what I had just read to you, their mission statement, and find out a little about them, and see if it's right for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me some comments below. I definitely will answer them. And also, they also gave me this incentive for doing this video. If you do want to try out this service, if you do, they will give you a 20% discount. Just a one-time only 20% discount. Use SHY20, SHY, the number 20. I'll make sure I'll link that down in the description below. So if you want to say, you know what, I'm going to get this a try, see if I can find something and get 20% off. Hey, you never know. I think when after all is said and done, everything that I'm going to get here is probably going to be like $60 some dollars. So I'm getting I hate that I can't wear the shoes. But that pretty wrap dress with the jewelry, hey, it makes it worth it for me. So if you're willing to try it, get that link code is SHY20 when you go to checkout. I think it applies when you go to when you get your stuff and you get ready to check out, and then go from there. So that's all I have to say in a nutshell, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, if you have any concerns, or if you need any assistance or getting it started, please feel free to leave me a comment in below, and I'll be more than happy to help you. And so I can add more things to my beautiful closet, and hoping you can add something to yours. All right, guys, have a blessed day, and I will be out.